And now, we will discuss the front of digital camera. Next is the camera lens. It is a special piece of glass which reflects light from outside onto the back of camera and creates a reversed upside down image on the film of the back of the camera. Next is the focusing ring. It is a moves back and front which allow the photographer to create a sharp images of its subject. Next is the shutter. It is a adjustable mechanism that regulates the amount of light reaching the film, varying the length of the time is allowed to pass through the lens. Next is the hot shoe or flash. It is where the flash bulb is inserted in the photography. Next is the lens release button. It is used when you have to release your lens of the camera. And now we will discuss the back of the digital camera. First, the AEL or the AFL button. It is stand for the auto exposure lock that exposes to the value you are comfortable with, and the AFL it can be used to be stop the camera of a main in the lens required focus when you compose. Next is the viewfinder adapter adjustment. It is a small dial or nav adjuster connected to the viewfinder. The adapter allows you to adjust viewfinder sharpness to match your own eyesight. Next part is the mode dial and camera dial. It is a dial to use on digital camera to change the camera's mode. It has two types, the manual modes and the automatic modes. In the next part is the command dial. Command dial controls the shutter and aperture settings and both ambient and flash exposure, completion, and in playback mode, the command dial lets you rapidly to the previously captured images. The next part is the menu button. Display or dismisses the LCD menu system. Next part is the mode dial and camera dial. It is a dial to use on digital camera to change the camera's mode. It has two types, the manual modes and the automatic modes.